PetGentle Ultrasonic Dog Trainer is being promoted as a simple, humane way to stop unwanted dog behavior, using sound instead of punishment. But the real question is whether it actually works or if it's just another overhyped pet gadget. The device uses ultrasonic sound, which is a high-frequency noise that humans can't hear, but dogs can. The idea is that when your dog barks excessively or misbehaves, you press a button and the sound interrupts their behavior. Now, the concept itself isn't fake. Ultrasonic training tools are real and have been used in dog training for years. Some dogs do respond to these frequencies, especially when the device is used consistently. However, here's the key point. The PetGentle Ultrasonic Dog Trainer is not a magic solution, and its effectiveness varies a lot from dog to dog. There are some clear positives. The device is non-invasive and doesn't physically harm your dog. Easy to use with a simple point-and-press function. Portable and convenient for indoor or outdoor use. A potential alternative to shock collars or harsher training tools. Some users report that it works well for reducing barking or grabbing a dog's attention, especially in the short term. That said, there are also important downsides. The biggest one is inconsistency. Not all dogs respond to ultrasonic sound. Some may ignore it completely, especially if they're highly excited or stubborn. Another issue is that it doesn't address the root cause of behavior. If your dog is barking due to anxiety, boredom, or lack of training, this device may only provide temporary interruption rather than a long-term fix. There are also mixed reviews about build quality and range, with some users saying the effectiveness drops beyond a short distance. And importantly, timing and proper training still matter. If used incorrectly, it won't deliver meaningful results. So, is the PetGentle Ultrasonic Dog Trainer a real training tool or just a gimmick? It's partially effective, but not a standalone solution. The bottom line is that it can be a helpful aid for certain dogs and situations, but it works best when combined with consistent training and positive reinforcement, not as a quick fix. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.